Oh my gosh, look at that voice crack. YouTube, what's good with y'all, man? Hey, look, today, I know I haven't posted in like 2 weeks or so. Calm down on me, gang. Calm down on me. But of course, you see, I got a little bonnet on. So, today we're gonna be running a couple errands, and then I do believe I have a prom send-off. I do believe I have a prom send-off at 5 to go to. You little niggas using the car for their little prom pictures.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
But nah, so yeah. But right now, we is actually about to go to do some errands. I gotta drop some clothes off. Gotta drop some clothes off right now. So I'm going to Goodwill for that. And then gotta wash the car, cause this car is dirty as hell, gang. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. This car is not presentable at all for pictures. So of course, like I said, we gotta get this joint tidied up, ready for a little prom send-off. So to be honest, this whole video is not really gonna be like, it's gonna be POV, of course, a little bit, but it's not POV made. The video is not supposed to be POV made. It's more like a vlog today, y'all. I'm gonna give y'all a vlog today, feel me? Because I feel like I haven't posted in 2 weeks, so I'm gonna give y'all a little vlog, you know. Cool little thing. Let me tell this nigga this event. Well, hold on, y'all. Let me call this nigga real quick. And then I'm gonna cut y'all niggas back on, cause yo, this nigga behind me read my plate, started geeking, bro. Niggas started geeking over the plate. That's funny. But y'all, let me know how y'all niggas been, bro. I feel like I ain't talked to y'all niggas in so long, bro. I want to get into the habit of really like picking up the camera and just recording for y'all niggas. But like I said, I want to do vlogs, but I don't want. I really don't know, y'all. But we gonna get it. We gonna get it right, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. We gonna get it right. Definitely gonna get it right. Look at him. Look at her. But nah, we definitely gonna get it right. I might just honestly like, instead of like really trying to care, like of course I care what y'all niggas of course see, but like, alright now, why you driving slow, gang? Like, man, hate being behind slow people like this, bro. Driving so slow for a gang. I be feeling like these niggas be doing this on purpose too, y'all. Please don't turn right. Thank you. They save me. Oh my gosh, yo. Damn. Chat, I ain't gonna lie, we had to stop to get the goddamn mango, so we did get a mango, y'all. It's not on my bucket list, but I'm trying to find a spot that got the fruit, so I guess that's what we drove. Gotta start hitting to. Yeah, we got a little mango right here. I'm gonna show y'all the spot. Hold up. Y'all feel me? Look, I'm on some calm PJs, on some cool, calm stuff, cause I got other stuff to do, but the place is called Sable Chicken. They got a little mango, y'all. Glad I found that. Hold on, y'all. Let me go ahead and zoom out. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and fill up, cause your boy got a good amount of stuff to do today. He ain't trying to look like they ain't got no gas, nigga. We got gas. This is, you hear me? But yeah, so we on our way to get gas right now. Probably back up when we get gas, and then I gave y'all like a small little minor POV when we heading to get the car washed. So guess I'm gonna just hit y'all up niggas. What? Guess I'm gonna just hit y'all niggas up later. Alright, y'all. I definitely ain't recording no POV, but we is, as you see, we is at the car wash. Y'all probably gonna think I'm ghetto self having a bonnet on and everything, but care dog. Ooh, look at that red zone. Ooh, Mr. Rich Man. Yeah, them Teslas Cybertrucks, I would never get one, but those are one of those type of cars that I would get if I want to just have like a FU money type of thing, you feel me? But I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all niggas a time lapse of this car thing, because hopefully y'all know how to wash your own car. But of course, you know, y'all can see what I do, you feel me? So it ain't nothing too crazy. So I'm gonna go ahead and put y'all, prop y'all up, and then yeah, watch the car.
Here you go, fucking ignoring me and shit. My stream.
Y'all gonna see me to the day that y'all die, nigga.
You wanna fucking explain? Look, I'm not even looking.
I ain't gonna never run over this shit. Locked in. I ain't gonna lie. Been through a lot of obstacles in this shit, though. But we be getting through this shit, though. It is what it is. Y'all fuck nigga gon' know at the end of the day. I heard some all niggas down on me. Please give me somebody you count on me. When I say no, send no hounds on me. Smelling like I got a pound on me. Off purpose and lean, try not to OD. Can't get in my heart, I might spy with no king. Expensive artillery, talk with a mean.
Y'all, your boy's finally done. I mean, when I get back home, I'm finna add a little tire shine and all that. You know, clean a little inside and stuff like that. But other than that, your boy's done. So, to these B-rolls.
Bitch said we won't never speak again. I told her thank God. Fuck another nigga, then come back and shit just won't fly. Never crash when your little hoe get touched, you come and take ours. Nigga always bump that other shit, but never play ours. This shit ain't the same, they putting bullshit on the radar.
Set. I don't know if y'all can tell. I'm pretty sure y'all definitely can tell. Knowing me, chat, we is in a whole different day, bro. We in a whole different day with the fact that chat, when I picked this camera up, I had gas, bro. Well, I kind of still have gas, but it's at half a tank. Yo, I'm so bad at completing the video the same day. If there's like really nothing going on, I really don't want to end it off like that. But tomorrow we finna be hitting the pit, so I gotta make sure I get this video out, or at least finish this video. So I'm gonna give y'all a little POV. Apologize if this video's boring, but you know, y'all get a little POV, a little cleaning the car, you know, a little 1-2-1-2, you feel me? But we just gonna go ahead and give y'all boys a POV. Sadly, this is all I can give y'all right now. Pause, y'all. Hold on. as I told y'all, we gotta get gas, so I'm gonna go ahead and get gas again. Sadly, probably gonna have to spend another, I'd probably say 50 something. It's probably gonna be in the 50 ranges, y'all. Probably more than that, probably 60, to be honest. I don't know, we gonna see, y'all. But your boy gotta get gas, and then we gotta hit the bank, cause the place what in the world? The place we going to tomorrow is cash only. Chat, I'm gonna just go ahead and tell y'all right now. We going to a pit tomorrow, and of course, yes, I will be recording the pit. Hopefully it don't rain, cause I feel like the rain gonna mess it up. Hold on, let me turn this on. Hopefully it don't rain, cause I feel like the rain gonna mess it up, but let's see. Once again, we gonna see. But yes, we hitting the pit tomorrow. The only bad thing about that pit is that they don't have card. You can't pay with card, you gotta pay with cash. So your boy gotta withdraw a little cash, you feel me? Gotta withdraw a little, So let me stop. But yeah, this is just gonna be a little POV. I ain't gonna do too much for y'all. Cause like I said, your boy gotta, I feel like I really gotta get in a habit of just dropping, bro. Like, it don't even matter if some of these videos is boring, bro, I apologize. It's just, there's a lot of things. Like, I work a lot. So it's just like, feel me? When I get off of work, it's literally like this. And of course, when daylight savings not in, it's worse than that. So like, at 5 o'clock, it be dark, and it's like, you know, I don't really want to record nighttime POVs all the time for y'all. But man, right now, I guess we just gonna make do what we can make do right now. But low key, hold up. I don't know why the camera quality low key look crazy right now. It look all clear and stuff. So if it don't look clear, let me know in the comments. But I believe it look clear. I believe we was like, I think we like 15 minutes out from the gas station. And I'll probably close out at the gas station, or I'll probably close out when I get to the bank, when I go park at the bank. Boy, this car barking, y'all. It don't. I don't know what that was, y'all. I'm trying to be mindful because the cops be on dicks over here, y'all. And then on top of that, they ended up deciding to put all these new roads and stuff, y'all. So it's just like, what the hell? Like, look at these little skimpy roads, boy. I know y'all hear them little natural burbles, boy. I know y'all hear them jumps. I don't know why this damn Honda keep following me, y'all. Yeah, y'all. I don't know if I said it the day before when I did pick the camera up, but that niggas been, bro. I feel like every single time I pick the camera up and I forget to, you feel me, record, and I got to pick back up, I feel like I be missing y'all niggas too much. But yeah, we gonna try to get 2-3 videos back to back. Sunday is Mother's Day, and I do believe I might, if the dudes come out with me, if she come out to Richmond with me, y'all, I might have a little video for y'all. We gonna see. I did put it on my other channel, so if y'all know about that one, y'all already know what kind of video it's probably gonna be. But yeah, damn, this one already 6 minutes, y'all. I'm gonna just catch up with y'all when we a little close to the gas station, because I ain't gonna bore y'all too much, especially with it being a little late right here. So bro, y'all, I be wanting to do burnouts. I be wanting to, man, if this city wasn't infested with them feds, y'all, Man. That's all I can say. Man. But Prince William County is infested with feds. The moment I do a burnout, all the feds gonna be on my dick, y'all. So there's no point in trying to get arrested for the tube. I ain't even get paid for this yet, so. Damn, natural bubbles. Not even Costco gas gonna get us out the hood, but they charging $4.83, gang. $4.83 at Costco though. Man. $4.83 at Costco, gang, is wicked. I ain't gonna lie. But y'all know we is at a gas station, so gotta take the pics. Might give y'all a little behind the scenes. You feel me? Oh no, my camera dirty. Hold it, y'all. My camera dirty. Gotta hurry up before this gas tank fill up. I ain't trying to have people waiting and stuff, you feel me? Oh, yeah. Right there. Give y'all these little behind the scenes of how we do this. Hey, y'all, predict how much gas we're gonna probably be paying, bro. I feel like we're gonna be paying like coolest 70. It's already at 50. Let's pay the cooler 63 on this junk, y'all. Damn. This is a tragic game. What they juice? Hey. I'm gonna go and give y'all a little proper video. It's called beautiful. That's why I look. I don't care about the gas, y'all. I'm gonna always take care of this damn car, bro. If I gotta make more money to, get what I want, y'all, I'm gonna make that jump happen. One thing about me is I'm always try to, not always try, but one thing about me is I'm gonna make it happen, gang. Regardless if people like it or not, regardless if the world want me to shine, y'all. Damn. Regardless if the world want me to shine, y'all, I'm gonna make that jump happen, y'all. No cap. No cap. What in the world, y'all? What the? What the broken? No. We barely got any more daytime. So y'all, I'm gonna just catch y'all niggas when I get to the bank. So, cause I gotta y'all already know I gotta close the video out. So I'm gonna just catch y'all niggas. I already picked up all the cash and stuff. So we gonna go ahead and end this video off. I ain't gonna lie. Like, comment, subscribe, turn the post notifications on, man. And like I say always, man, we just always gonna turn up each and every single video. I feel like we always gonna turn up something new, bro. But y'all see it. This joint, I ain't gonna lie, I'm definitely gonna have to take some pictures. But that joint looks sweet. Let's see if I can, yeah. Ooh, that joint right there looks sweet. But y'all, like I said, like, comment, subscribe, turn the post notifications on, man. Hey, I'm just catch y'all niggas later.
This shit ain't the same, they putting bullshit on the radar. Tired of talking Glocks, I'm about to go get me